A Matchbox SuperKings K29 Ford delivery van is pretty perfect for a decal project. The boxy sides are smooth, flat, and rectangular. This was probably no accident. Look at the variety of stickers that Matchbox placed on these over the years. It's a SuperKings, so it's bigger than the usual super-fast cars, which makes them easier to work on. And the scale is pretty close to 1/43rd, so they would also look good on your Lionel O-gauge train layout. You can find these online, and the price range is all over the place. You will definitely pay a premium if you want a boxed example. On this particular day, I wasn't looking for a mint-in-box model, but rather a project. My focus lately has been more on customizing rather than collecting. My timing was lucky, as I was the only bidder for this sad little guy, and the shipping was more than reasonable. It's missing the rear doors, but is otherwise fairly complete. There's really no part of this model that won't need to be refurbished. That whole process begins with some disassembly, and the missing doors will have to be sorted a bit later. Drilling the posts allow the various pieces to come apart. Later on, I'll use a smaller drill bit and a tap to thread the resulting holes to accept the tiny little screws needed for reassembly. These parts are off to be cleaned and wet sanded before getting a fresh new coat of paint. So what should be the new color scheme or theme for this boxy delivery truck? Life imitates art, and Matchbox has already produced a variety of vehicles decorated for Scooby-Doo, but never one in the SuperKings line. I've always liked the old Hanna-Barbera cartoons, so why not combine Scooby-Doo and Matchbox for something that works with my toy trains? Rust-Oleum spray paints come in a wide variety of colors and work especially well on both metal and plastics. It's important to follow the directions on the can. If you're sometimes impatient like me, a lot of hard work can be ruined by not heeding the warnings regarding the time between coats. Luckily, I learned my lesson, and things went smoothly this time. I use Apple's Pages to make my decals, but most word processing programs will work just fine. I needed a piece of plastic to fill the gap left by the missing doors. Cassette boxes aren't good for much else these days, and this one just happened to be lying around. An old model airplane supplied the material for the retaining pins, but the diameter was too large. By heating the plastic and then stretching it before cooling, I can approximate the correct size. Gel superglue holds the pieces together, and after some careful manipulation, the new back door is sanded and ready to be painted a new glossy white. It fits pretty well, and the smooth, flat surface is perfect for a fresh decal. I had a few different ideas for the back and decided to print all three and make the final choice later on. With the last decal applied, the transformation is complete. The resulting model will look good either in my display cabinet or on the train table. This K29 is something that Matchbox could have made, and who knows, maybe someday they will. But why sit around waiting when right now you can make one yourself? I hope you enjoyed this video. With each one of these projects I learned something new, and hopefully maybe you did too. So until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Thanks for watching, and take care.